days.
Welcome back, y'all. How y'all doing? Absolutely buzzing here. My man Brad came down the weekend, so the front of this cage is now welded up, which means we can get everything put back together and check the old girl still fires up, because God knows. But quickly, I've got some great plans coming up this year. I just quickly want to talk about that before we get started. I know you don't want to hear me chit-chatting, but I've just had a big birthday. I've just had some track days gifted to me, so that is going to be some awesome content for you guys. On top of that, I've also been gifted a massive trip, which you might be able to guess, but I'll let you know later on in this video. But it's going to involve this Mini, it's going to involve Brad's Volkswagen Golf, and it is going to be one hell of a trip, so absolutely buzzing for that. So we need to get this old girl back together, get her ready, get her tested, so stay tuned, let's crack on. I'll stop talking now. Right, first things first, let's get this dashboard bolted up. Okay, so after my last attempt of painting up my dashboard panels and absolutely failed, I've gone and purchased some new ones. So look at these, beautiful, a lot darker, a lot better, almost matching the paint of my car. So that should look really good. So let's get them popped in quickly. So I just wanted to check everything aligned before I put on the top part of the dashboard. It looks like it's bowing out here a little bit around this cage, so got a little bit more trimming to do there, but that's not a problem at all. We can quickly do that. I will eventually get these black. My idea was to sort of just do like a paint splatter of that fluorescent yellow. That should look quite nice there, but for now these panels line up quite well. I'm happy with that, so I can pop them off, get the top of the dash on now after I've just trimmed that corner out. Okay, so it gives you a rough idea of what it's going to look like. Unfortunately, this dash is getting a little bit patchy, so I'm going to have to redo that, take that back out and redo that. But yeah, you get a rough idea of what we're looking at. You'll probably see that I've deleted the glove box, I've deleted underneath the steering wheel, so it gives it a nice sort of flush, straight line look there. But yeah, it's looking pretty banging. Happy with that. So let's quickly get these wires put back in and bolted up, and then fingers crossed she's going to fire up. Okay, I was a bit annoyed that I accidentally trimmed out the corner of this little circle here, so I should be able to twist that out. He says they do come out, which I didn't realise, and I've got some new ones. Such a carbon effect. So we put those in. Yeah, that's better. So there's little touches, you know. Quite proud of that. Right, let's start this up. I'm pretty nervous, but before I carry on with anything, carry on with this build, I want to make sure she still fires up. So, there goes nothing. That is a good start. Airbag light is on. That's fine, which is strange because I've unplugged that. Right, let's go. Bit of a noisy belt, but she's running. All my headlights and that works, so nothing's been affected by the welding. Let's give her a little rev. Oil pressure's good. Don't know why I've got an airbag light on, because that's unplugged. So so it shouldn't be an airbag light at all, but hey ho, that's fine. Yeah, buzzing. Okay, so I'm gonna have a quick hoover out now, but obviously I'm not gonna film that. But I've got this. Oh. Let's have a look. Bam, ba-dam, bam, bam. Package time. Lovely. Right, this is like it's like a black carpet. It's very thin, very nice. Obviously I think that's inside out at the moment, but yeah. What we're going to do, we're going to spray glue this onto all the panels on the inside, so it doesn't feel like a stripped out race car. It feels a lot more comfortable, a lot nicer. Yeah, pretty buzzing with that. Okay, so it's all nice and hoovered now. Beautiful. Mwah. So we need to get this done ASAP because we've got some track days coming up, which should be some really awesome content for you guys. Nearer the time, I might even give you my dates, so you guys can come along if you wanted. That'd be pretty wicked if any of you guys are planning to get out on track. But we need to get the practice in because we've got a big one coming up. So in August, me and my man Brad, we're going to be heading all the way down to the Nurburgring. Yeah, I don't know how the hell you say it, but so that should be pretty buzzing. So that means we need to get lots of track time, lots of testing, make sure everything's okay with this car before we send it all the way down there. But absolute buzzing for that. That's going to be an insane video. I may even do daily vlogs on that one. Let me know what you want. But yeah, so we need to get ready for summer. So got a few coming up in Linden Hill. Yeah, I want to try and hit Brands Hatch before we go to Nurburgring. So yeah, good couple of tracks there. Pretty awesome. Wicked content coming this way. Let's get this little bad boy carpeted and looking ready. And then we should have the seats fitted in the next episode. I'm just waiting for my new seat mounts to come, as the last ones I got didn't fit, which is a bit frustrating. So yeah, it's coming together. It is coming together. Okay, so I've chopped up the carpet just temporarily, so I've got it as a foot plate, just until I get hold of a foot plate. So yeah, I probably should get one ordered really. Okay, let's get this carpet in. Okay, I'm gonna start off the roof liner. I'm gonna peel off all this like cardboard. So yeah, really quickly just clean that up. Okay, so that horrible cardboard's gone now, and we've replaced it with some proper sound deadening now, so that should be much better. I'm now going to pop up this carpet, get it glued to the roof and make it look nice and fancy. Should make that roll cage absolutely pop against the black. Silly me, completely forgot to put this carpet in before I bolted up the roll cage, but live and learn. We work around it because I'm feeling quite lazy. I am not taking that freaking cage back out. Jesus. So yeah, you can get that looking real nice and crisp. Beautiful. Buzzing with that. At this moment, you knew he inhaled way too much glue. So I'm going to get the rest of this car carpeted now, so I will crack on with that. And for you, you're going to click this little circle here because we've got some epic track days coming up and I need to get this thing finished. So, see you next Thursday. Click that circle. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.